Hello guys, you are welcome to our tutorial on abstract algebra. So we are continuing from the last episode. I just call it episode 1 of our series on abstract algebra. So we have our first question here, which says that in D4 a rotation of 270 degrees followed by a reflection across the main diagonal D1 and followed again by a reflection across the vertical axis must be a what? So here we just need to do some rough sketch to determine what it will result to. One of the 8 elements of D4. You know that if it is D4, the elements will just be 4. Whatever you have here, that's 2 times the n, and so D4 means 2 times 4, giving you 8 elements. So the number of elements in D4 are 8. If it is 3, that will be 6. So you just multiply the number here by 2 and you get the order of the group. That's dihedral groups. So now what are they asking us to do? They are saying that rotation of 270. So I'm going to do my rough sketch. So let me say that R0, this is my R0, A, B, C, D. This is R0, R90. So R90, I'm just going to rotate this R90. I'm going to rotate this by anti-clockwise 90 degrees. So my A comes here, my B comes here, my C comes here, my D comes here, like this. So let's say the R180, that will mean I will have R180, that will mean A will now come here, D is here, C is here, and B is here. Now R270, then I'll have this box. So A will go up here, D will be here, C will be here, and B will be here. This is R270. Now they are saying that R270 and then a reflection across the main diagonal after the rotation of R270. So this is our R270. We are reflecting it across the main diagonal. This is the main diagonal. Okay, so we are reflecting it. So if we reflect it, so R270 going on to D1, which is we are reflecting on the main diagonal. So this A will come to C and C will go to, so A will come to C and C will go to A. So this will mean that we will have this box. The same thing for the D. The D will still be at the same place. So D will still be here and B will still be here, but A and C will just change like this. Now they are saying that what again? Followed again by a reflection across the vertical axis. So after that we are reflecting this across the vertical axis. So if we do that, so R270 going to D1 going to V, that will mean that we will finally have C and B will come here and D and A will come here like this. So we have this finally, and now they are asking us what will we have if we do that. So if you go back to your these ones, if you look at this diagram here, it is just the same as this. Look at it, R180, because C B A D, C B A D. So the answer here will just be R180 degrees. That's all for that question. So we go on to look at the next thing. Well, I'll just pause here Then I'll continue again on our next video.